Ano yung pinag-uusapan nila? Pagdamutan mo na mo.
Matindi ang
It's up to you. Pwede na dito, pwede sa bahay. Sa bahay na lang. Para surprise. Dito na masahin. Masahin niya. Yung ganoon mo siya.
Kamusta ate mo?
Wow.
Si Bandi.
Lota.
Yung Lota. Andes.
Captain Morgans. Wow. Thank you, Lota.
Basahin mo naman ang
Oo. Thank you. Very nice card.
Okay, read it. I want you to read it.
Masarap siya. My dear Bogsy, wishing you a fantastic day filled with joy and laughter. And cheers to you and your next trip around the
sun.
around the sound. Belated happy birthday. Miss you. Love. Bordaloo and Lota.
Bordaloo and Lota.
Sa akin naman. No problem no. Celebrate. Time to celebrate. For my...
May dumulas!
Dear Bogsy, celebrating your special day because someone like you deserves to have the best birthday ever. With lots of love, Mervin.
May dumulas!
Thank you, Ben.
Pagdabutan mo na, Bogsy.
Dapat din na kayo
You deserve it. This is from Daisy naman.
Daisy, with love.
With love.
It's not real gab.
That's from Daisy.
Wow.
With love.
Pink. Panglalaki na ka. Pink. Wow. Oh my God.
Alam pa niya.
Talagang gusto niyang maging healthy.
Alam pa niya.
Thank you, Daisy.
Dark chocolate.
Happy birthday, Bogs.
Oo nga, Gap. Tapos sa London drugs.
Ay, ang hirap.
Hirap ako, short lang.
Gap sa London drugs. Pinahirapan pa ang matanda eh.
Thank you, Liz.
Look at that.
Thank you. Hindi ko lagay preso, mamaya.
Talaga, ate mo.
Thank you, guys.
So sweet. Nakasang-samit. Thank you, babe.
Tapos, sana
Pinig pa rin yung dalawa, oh. Sinamahan pa ni ano, sinamahan pa ni Loto. Trio. Wala po.
Kailan?
Sunday.
Niligay ko na lang yung regalo sa
Opo.
meron pang ano, pahabol.
May pahabol